Yo, it's Bosco25DD here. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry there was no volume in my last videos. I didn't realize until I watched them, so now I know. And yeah, I'm gonna actually play some treasure hunt simulator. This is basically gonna be the first episode because you guys usually get to watch me play. So I'm just gonna go down here in the depths of this place. Okay, let's keep going down to the very bottom. Let's go all the way down to where this guy goes. This bull. Let's just dig this place down for this guy. I would have to have a lot of money to get it. This guy is like, what are you doing to my hole? I can't do anything. Oh, this guy's gonna not get anything. I'm going too fast for him. I'm trolling. I'm trolling right now. What are you doing, sir? I sold all that. Yeah, I get a lot. Let's go down this big hole. But it's not wrong, I trust me. Right. Oh my gosh! This goes so far down. Really? Okay, let's keep on. Okay, let's do this then. Oh, these guys are like, I hate this dude right now. You should. Because I am trolling you nubs. I can't do anything. I get like almost 200,000 literally just from 35,000 pounds of sand, I guess. This is really weird sand. I don't know why it's black. I didn't understand when I first got in this game. I was like, this looks suspicious and stuff. This guy will never get anything. You will never get anything, sir. You will never get anything if I keep trolling you. I wish I had the infinite, but it's kind of a waste. It's too much Robux. He's just waiting for me to lose all the money so he can keep digging, and then he just wastes all of it. Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, 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 Snip, Snip, Severus Snape, Snip, Severus Snape, Snip, Snip, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley. Full power. I wish I had the better duffel bag, but it's too much money. Okay, I put up this. Those weirdos who think guys. Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Ron. This guy's like so down here. Yeah, he hasn't even done anything. He's just AFK or something. is Wednesday, my dudes. It is definitely Wednesday, my dudes. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Don't judge me for trying to be stupid, not have any friends, because I do have friends. I do. Don't assume that I don't have friends. Yeah, he's just waiting. He's just waiting until I get like. What are they just digging? I would have, like, just before I started this recording, I just got the duffel bag, which is like 12 million. And yeah. I have only got a private island on the server. Whee! Woo! No one can beat this length I have here. Die. No one can beat this length. This guy's AFK, for sure. He's for sure AFK. I saw this guy on another server who was like, he had the same one as me, and when he like sold all of his stuff, he got like, I don't know, it was like 300,000, because I'm pretty sure he did both twice. But it's kind of stupidly overpowered. But the players who have like the infinite and they like wait until they get like 20 million, or they get like, what is that? I don't know. That's a lot. Or I think it's like, maybe it's like, I don't know, 100 million. No, I think it would be like 50 million. Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. This guy's AFK and he's literally so far down, and I'm like, he's AFK and he could be taking all of like the stuff I'm getting, but he's not. He's just there. He's just there. I have the superhero stance now. Before I had the robot stance, but I spent Robux because I was getting tired of it, and I don't like it, so I like the superhero stance. I almost have 2 million. Oh, this is the most I've been making ever. Probably because I get so much sand. Ron Weasley. Ron. This guy's like at the very bottom. He's like, I'm good. I'll just wait here until like you get to the blue part. I did get to the blue part before, but like the next thing. I don't know what is the next part, but I almost got to the next part. This guy could literally be making thousands. What's his name? Logan. This guy is missing out on a lot of good stuff while he's AFK. Literally, I don't think you could ever get back to this moment. What if you just you didn't skip any chests, and then you just like, that would be so dumb. It would be like insane, but I skip a lot of chests because like the normal and the rare chests don't give you much. The legendaries give you about 2,000. The other ones give you like 140. Yeah, see? There's 140,000. Like 1,400. There you go. Leg. Oh my gosh. I don't think a human being could jump that. Get as much as you can. Well, guys, I just got 45. I'm gonna go to my private island. Sweet relief. I'm just gonna do it like here. There you go. Now all the dudes are like, they're like, where is he? Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, no, they're not nudes. This guy's pretty good. The guy, the guy that has the 728 stuff. 728 stuff. Okay, come on. Keep digging! Keep digging. Why is it not digging? Keep digging. Keep digging. Keep digging. Keep digging. Why am I not moving? Okay, guys, I found a glitch. So if you do this, start digging, then you take it off. There we go. Are you kidding? Right when I was showing the glitch, my backpack got full. Oh, I was gonna show the glitch here. There we go. There we go. Style at its finest. I am telekinetic. Oh my gosh. My telekinetic powers are failing. No. I have to. It's tough. I'm broke. You know the way. This is the queen. You know the way. What? Well, I'm not the queen. You're the queen. This is the way. The queen knows the way. Oh yeah, this is the way. Ron Weasley. I like it. Snip, snip. Hermione. Whatever the Hermione Granger one is. Sell my backpack. I sold all of the stuff in it, and I got $175,000. I would probably be rich in real life with my golden spoon for digging. I don't know how a spoon would do better than a jackhammer. Or a freaking, what are those things that dig, the dig? I don't know what they're called, but I'm making throw the rest. I'm making loads of progress. I've made progress. Yeah, I've made progress. You know those howler monkey things? They have tubes. That's what I'm gonna call them. Tubes that hang down so low that it kind of looks like a sack. Like, you know, like you're carrying a bag of, like, basketballs. It's kind of like that. The other side of the butt. I'm just gonna say that. Don't do anything bad to me, YouTube. Please, I did not do anything. That's true. It's true facts. Look up things in Latin America. You'll find that. That is all for this time, guys. I hope you all enjoy. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.